Revlon Professional invites you to redefine your client's curl personality. It's time to press the restart button. From wavy to curly or coily hair, Restart Curls rethinks textured hair care with an innovative and versatile range. Thanks to its exclusive technology, redefines the way to treat and nourish textured hair, helping to respect the scalp's microbiome. Enriched with nourishing jojoba oil, vegan formulas, free from sulfates and silicones. Our Curly Girl Method compliant range provides high-performing results to enhance all curl patterns. Skincare-inspired textures for highly sensorial routines, specifically tailor-made to work by mixing and matching to redefine the personality of textured hair. Restart. Powered by skincare. Prove it by hair experts. Revlon Professional. Create boldly, live boldly.